Families in Anthem, Arizona, enjoy the perks of desert living, beautiful sunshine, mountain views, and open skies. But the dry climate, frequent dust, and occasional high winds can make maintaining clean, healthy indoor air a challenge. Even if your home feels sealed and comfortable, older or poorly functioning windows can allow pollutants, allergens, and moisture to sneak indoors. Fortunately, replacing your windows can dramatically improve your home's air quality and overall comfort. With modern designs and proper installation, new windows can help your family breathe easier, reduce allergens, and enjoy a fresher living environment year-round. Here's how window replacement can transform the air quality inside your Anthem home. Preventing dust and outdoor pollutants from entering Anthem's desert setting means that dust and sand are a constant presence, especially during windy days or after storms. Older windows often have tiny gaps or failing seals that allow fine particles to enter your home. Over time, these particles settle on furniture, carpets, and even circulate through your HVAC system, affecting your air quality. New windows with advanced sealing technology provide a much tighter barrier against outdoor contaminants. The improved insulation and precision-fit frames prevent fine dust, pollen, and exhaust from finding their way indoors. This is especially beneficial for families with children or anyone sensitive to allergens. With cleaner indoor air, you'll notice less dust on surfaces and fewer allergy flare-ups during the year. Reducing mold and moisture buildup. While Anthem is known for its dry heat, monsoon season brings humidity and sudden rain that can cause condensation on older windows. When moisture seeps through worn-out seals or collects around window frames, it creates the perfect environment for mold and mildew growth. These microorganisms can release spores that circulate in your indoor air, contributing to respiratory issues, headaches, and unpleasant odors. Modern energy-efficient windows with insulated glass and moisture-resistant frames prevent condensation from forming in the first place. By maintaining stable indoor humidity levels, new windows help keep your living environment dry and healthy. This reduces the risk of mold, improves air freshness, and even helps preserve your walls, paint, and furnishings. Enhancing natural ventilation. Proper ventilation is one of the easiest ways to improve indoor air quality, but only if your windows open and close properly. Many Anthem homes still have older, stiff, or warped window frames that don't allow for smooth airflow. New casement, awning, or sliding windows make it easier to let in fresh air without sacrificing energy efficiency. You can strategically open windows in different parts of your home to create a natural cross breeze that replaces stale air with clean outdoor air. This not only improves air circulation but also reduces the buildup of indoor pollutants from cooking, cleaning products, and everyday activities. Keeping indoor air cleaner through energy efficiency. New windows do more than block dust. They also help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. By reducing drafts and heat transfer, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to keep your home comfortable. Less strain on your system means fewer airborne particles circulating through your home's air vents, which translates to cleaner air. Additionally, low-E glass coatings found in modern windows help reflect infrared light, keeping your home cooler while reducing UV exposure that can affect both air quality and indoor surfaces. Combined with professional installation, these features create a more stable, breathable indoor environment. Blocking outdoor odors and pollutants. Living near main roads, construction areas, or open desert spaces can sometimes introduce unpleasant smells and fine airborne pollutants into your home. New, properly sealed windows act as an effective odor and pollutant barrier, keeping your living space fresh even when outdoor conditions are less than ideal. This is especially helpful during high wind events or dust storms, common occurrences in Anthem's desert climate. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the highest quality window won't perform as intended without expert installation. A professional installer ensures your new windows are fitted perfectly, eliminating gaps that could let in air or contaminants. They'll also use weather-resistant materials suited to Anthem's climate, ensuring your investment performs efficiently for years to come. Proper installation maximizes the health benefits of your new windows while improving energy efficiency and comfort. Final thoughts: clean, fresh indoor air is essential for your family's health and comfort, and your windows play a bigger role than you might think. By investing in modern, energy-efficient window replacements, Anthem homeowners can block dust and allergens, prevent moisture buildup, and promote better airflow. When installed professionally, new windows help your home stay cooler, quieter, and healthier, turning your living space into a true desert oasis. If you've noticed condensation, dust buildup, or persistent allergies at home, it may be time to upgrade. The result isn't just cleaner air, it's a safer, more comfortable home for your entire family.